The four chambers are represented by the four living creatures and archangel in heaven. Lalela, lalela. Now we are a little bit further. Utola in. Utola the 24. Thank you. I'll fully the 24. 24 Gaiki elder. Now lalela. Lama 24 elders. It's 12 disciples from the Old Testament plus the 12 leaders from the tribe of Judah. Nabashangana, they are called elders. How is it made after heaven? Una four yama chamber your heart, represented by the four living creatures. Now yes, una 24 elders. Now bigger your sensitive internal organs. They are actually guarded by 24 ribs. The 24 ribs represent the 24 elders. The four chambers of your heart represent the four living creatures. And did you know that in your heart, you've got a hole? And I'm a doctor did not know the answer up today. It is hidden from the eyes of the wise and the prudent and given to such that will learn. But when you are born again, God indwelled that heart and it becomes a control tower in the midst of your heart where the hole is. Kune four chambers of your heart. Now wrong tatamanda mom say, YouTube na TikTok, na message YouTube na TikTok. Ama number one up nizoshuta mfundisi unamanga ngizorepenta. Inhliziyo yakho inembobo. Mayezulwini, the embobo is the throne of God. As much of there's a hole and there are four chambers, there's a throne and there are four living creatures. I'm an English. Now, with love and respect, the initial law. Sense of that. Umfazi has got a womb, the seed, the sperm, young Shesebenzai. Now, the womb spiritually, the spiritual is the mind. That's why the mind takes and multiply your subconscious, which has been given. What the truth of your subconscious is to store the things that you've seen and the thoughts, and it multiplies when it comes out. That's what the womb. You give a woman a seed, it multiplies na start to twins. But the life is in the seed. Tuti wagan tumut nakashata umfaz. Atati smongo sendot. Ngobumfaz natural, scriptural. She's actually dependent on the man. Hamjan Japan. She's got the womb and the man has got the seed. So the man is a giver and the woman is a receiver. Next, the man is what? Is the giver, and the woman is what? Is the receiver.